Apple TV stuck in a cycle of minor updates and recycled processors. But behind closed doors, something massive has been happening. Apple isn't just working on a standard upgrade anymore. They're splitting their home strategy entirely in two, preparing to launch a standard Apple TV 2026 alongside a mysterious, highly exclusive hardware transformation known as the Apple TV Pro. This is not just a spec bump. This is a deliberate attempt to take over the living room, blend artificial intelligence with physical space, and create a premium, limited edition device that completely changes the rules of modern entertainment. If you're thinking about buying a streaming box right now, or if you're still holding on to an older setup, you need to stop and look at exactly what is coming. Because the gap between the standard model and this new Pro edition is so massive, it will fundamentally change how you interact with your home, your games, and your media. To understand why this shift is happening, you have to look at the current state of television. Right now, millions of people are using streaming boxes powered by silicon that is nearly 5 years old. The current Apple TV 4K relies on the A17 Bionic chip, a piece of tech that belongs to a completely different era of mobile processing. While it handles basic 4K video just fine, it is hitting a hard wall when it comes to the future of technology. The industry is moving toward local artificial intelligence, real-time spatial processing, and high-fidelity gaming. The old hardware simply cannot keep up. Apple recognized this, and instead of giving the world another minor incremental update, they decided to pull the curtain back on a radical new strategy. The standard Apple TV 2026 is designed to be the reliable, ultra-fast hub for the everyday consumer. Under the hood, it is finally getting a massive engine swap, moving to the 3nm A17 Pro chip. This immediately injects a level of speed and efficiency into the box that leaves every competing device in the dust. Streaming will be instantaneous. Multitasking between heavy applications will be completely fluid, and the overall interface will feel faster than a high-end smartphone. Combined with the introduction of Apple's custom N1 networking chip, the standard 2026 model brings full Wi-Fi 7 compatibility into the living room. This means if you have a modern router, your streaming box will operate on the clear, uncrowded 6 GHz band, virtually eliminating buffering, compression artifacts, and network lag, even when streaming raw, uncompressed high bitrate media. But while the standard 2026 model fixes the past, the Apple TV Pro is completely obsessed with rewriting the future. The Pro version takes the foundation of home entertainment and shatters it, moving far beyond a basic black plastic box hidden away inside a media console. The core philosophy behind the Apple TV Pro is the total integration of hardware, ambient intelligence, and high-end aesthetics. Rumors from deep within the supply chain indicate that the Pro Edition will feature an entirely reimagined industrial design. Instead of standard plastic, it utilizes premium materials like anodized aluminum and a top surface made of liquid glass, giving it the presence of a luxury audio component rather than a hidden accessory. But the real magic of the Pro model isn't just how it looks on a shelf. It is what it puts inside your living room. For the first time ever, Apple is integrating advanced physical sensors and a dedicated, ultra-wide-angle camera array directly into the housing of the Pro unit, or via a modular, magnetic companion array designed to sit perfectly on top of your television. This single addition changes everything. It transforms your TV from a passive screen into an active, space-aware intelligence center. The Pro model uses this spatial awareness to completely revolutionize FaceTime and video communication. With advanced center stage technology, the device doesn't just track your face. It tracks the entire room, adjusting the frame dynamically as family members walk in and out, creating an incredibly natural, lifelike communication experience on the largest screen in your home. This camera and sensor system unlocks a brand new interactive layer for the Apple ecosystem. It enables precise, lag-free gesture controls, allowing you to mute a show, pause a movie, or navigate the interface with simple hand movements from the comfort of your couch, completely eliminating the need to search for a lost remote control. Furthermore, the Apple TV Pro leverages these built-in sensors to introduce real-time, interactive fitness and health tracking through Apple Fitness Plus. The device can actively analyze your form, track your movement precision, and provide instant, on-screen feedback during workouts, turning your living room into a private, highly advanced training studio. Where the Pro model truly separates itself from the standard 2026 version is how it handles the massive computational demands of modern artificial intelligence. While the standard model uses its upgraded processor to run smoother and handle basic tasks, the Apple TV Pro is built from the ground up to be the ultimate physical anchor for Apple Intelligence. It features an expanded RAM architecture paired with an even more advanced neural engine, allowing it to process massive language models locally, right inside your home, without constantly relying on external cloud servers. This unlocks the true, next-generation version of Siri that the world has been waiting for. This isn't the basic voice assistant that looks up the weather or struggles to find a specific movie title. The Pro's ambient AI understands deep context, casual phrasing, and complex, multi-layered commands. You can sit on your couch and tell the room, find that intense psychological thriller from the early 2000s where the main character wears a trench coat, but only look on the streaming apps I actually subscribe to, and show me the ones with a Rotten Tomatoes score above 80%. The AI will instantly parse through every single streaming platform, cross-reference your exact subscription data, analyze film metadata, and present your options in less than a second. This intelligence extends far deeper than simple media search. The Apple TV Pro acts as an autonomous, localized smart home commander. Because it contains advanced local processing power, it can manage your entire ecosystem of Matter and Thread-enabled smart devices completely offline. It doesn't just execute basic commands, it analyzes patterns. It understands when the house is empty, how light enters your windows at different times of the day, and how to optimize your home's climate, lighting, and security systems in real time based on your habits. All while keeping your data locked securely within the physical walls of your home. The level of privacy and speed achieved by this local processing is something no other smart home hub on Earth can currently match. For anyone interested in gaming, the division between the standard 2026 model and the Apple TV Pro represents a massive historical milestone. The standard version, with its A17 Pro chip, introduces hardware-accelerated ray tracing to the TV for the very first time. This means standard mobile games and Apple Arcade titles will feature gorgeous, realistic reflections, dynamic lighting, and incredibly smooth frame rates. But the Apple TV Pro is aiming directly for the traditional console market. By utilizing a highly optimized, active cooling system paired with an unthrottled, high-performance silicon layout, the Pro model is designed to run full, AAA console-grade titles natively at true 4K resolution. Apple has been quietly working with major game developers to bring massive, open-world narratives and high-fidelity action games directly to tvOS. The Pro Edition turns your television into a genuine, silent, ultra-powerful gaming console that bridges the gap between casual mobile gaming and high-end dedicated systems, entirely eliminating the need for a separate, bulky gaming rig beneath your TV. The visual and auditory experience is also being pushed to an extreme level that the standard model simply won't touch. The Apple TV Pro introduces an advanced, real-time video upscaling engine powered by its heavy-duty neural core. This means when you're watching older content, classic films, or lower-resolution streams, the local AI analyzes every single pixel in real time, artificially injecting detail, sharpening textures, and rebuilding color depth to make vintage content look like it was shot natively in modern 4K. On the audio front, the Pro model features a dedicated spatial audio spatializer. If you're wearing AirPods, or if you're connected to a high-end home theater system, the Pro box actively tracks the physical layout of your room using its sensors, mapping the acoustic properties of you. Our walls, furniture, and ceiling to calibrate a perfectly customized Dolby Atmos soundstage. It creates an immersive dome of sound that molds itself uniquely to the exact architecture of your living space. The standard Apple TV 2026 is an incredible, necessary evolution of a product that has been neglected for far too long. It brings the speed, the modern wireless standards, and the baseline performance required to keep the classic Apple TV experience alive and well for the next several years. It is the perfect choice for anyone who simply wants a flawless, ultra-fast streaming experience. But the Apple TV Pro is a completely different animal. It is a bold statement about where the future of the home is heading. It is built for the tech enthusiast, the cinephile, the gamer, and the person who demands absolute perfection and total privacy from their smart home ecosystem. It turns a simple piece of streaming hardware into an intelligent, active participant in your daily life. The choice between these two devices isn't just about choosing a price point. It is about choosing how you want to experience your digital world. The standard model upgrades your television, but the Apple TV Pro upgrades your entire living space. As Apple prepares to launch this dual-threat strategy, the landscape of home entertainment is shifting forever. The wait is finally over, and the future of the living room is officially here.